kinda like
Hey guys, what's up? So this is part 2 of my hybrid Sherco build. It's a 2016 SER 300 that I'm converting, well, not converting, it's just modifying it a little bit. It's basically just have to drill a few holes and yeah, it's not a perfect, but yeah, I think it came out nice. So basically here's what I did. I drilled a hole there. That's where the old plastic, the 2016 plastic used to fit. What I did, I just put a hole there with a rift nut on that side, and I did the same, drill a hole here with a rift nut, and as you can see it came out alright. And that's what otherwise I did nothing else, so that's basically it. You'll see it doesn't fit perfect. That's the shape of the old plastic, the 2016, so that will be the 2017 plastic. And it's the same standard tank that I've got on. Yeah, that's basically it. So obviously I need to tighten this whole thing here, but yeah. So that's basically it. That's the only modification I did to the subframe. So let's just get into focus there. So I drilled a hole there, put a rift nut in it. Same on the other side, drill the hole on the other side, put a rift nut in it, and yeah, that's basically it. The 2016 seat does not fit, so you have to buy a new seat to make it fit. Let's see how many hours. It's got roughly, I can't really see, but it's got like, it's basically just over 100 hours bikes. I've done the bottom and top end on just before 100 hours. Otherwise, bike stock standard. I've got extra swing arm protectors, KTM swing arm protectors on. Just normal PVC pipe, protect the outer exhaust. This actually works quite well. Thanks Sam Mallet for the tip. This works quite well. Radiator braces. I've got the radiator braces on. Pipe guard. Yeah, the pipe's been blown out a couple of times. Front disc guard. And the rear disc guard. And yeah, I must say, enduro engineering handguards, and then my Red Bull Romaniacs prefer pull strap. Other than that, oh yeah, and I also got these basically on for the forks, protect the outer forks, and that also works quite well. Another tip from Sam Mallet. Yeah, so that also works well. Just protect the outer forks of the bike. It might not be as pleasing on the eye. So this is my bike complete. Got the holes, but as you can see, the tank here just doesn't line up there. And then I had to get a 2017 seat, obviously to fit the plastics, but as you can see, the plastics looks alright. Mount that one there. So I'm not going to mount that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Stock standard, my conversion, and it works well. So that's my conversion. It works well. I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, riding with for a couple of enduros, a couple of races, so, and it, yeah, it's pretty cool. But definitely next year, getting a 2019. Cheers.